You know, and Chebia, I'm brother catcher said the state attorney general, a Dr. Dobrik, Okudzeto Ayende, Obeka Afa, the extradition of Kenufrata from USA to Ghana. Obeka Afa from which and ya better, and ya falasa. Now, next one kind of was Captain Kojo Smart, any TikTokers, Abe clash with the state attorney general. Then some will consider them. Easy. Remember, I'm the moon watch the wager, Amame. Ewa comment section. I Penyah block media. Mess was a need you. Obe like hii video no ada ma subscribe button some click notification icon of latest updates na ba chira wa join da ma me e wo comment section so ba so no che for so enya bia hwe. It was last week Thursday ana FBI for any petition every US eba Ghana hanom ebe to Ghana for anim say o mu hia ye client je so mu hia Ghana ni baako aya Fred Kumi aya bonem na ne ka se Abu Treka aguna so edu belonya o mu hia no adaya wa engage in romance scam to the sum of $8 million. Mom the petition by my petition by no. Ejina so che abutreka e wo Ghana hadam e de koma wo mu ICC o yekuni see the phone 7 mugu so e to na any ade ade. But I don't know why there's a Ghana phone near say there be omunya abutre. Wait a minute. Abutreka tran Ghana hadam. Yes o the computer e bi timuro no ama FBI for tima ba abechi na e de ne ko. Mo na mbeka say oforiata e de o man na wu. Oboye kro no o afesi kedi etimu ko fa na ba. Esimu sen eno frata de na ni sika kuraso no montimi nkofa na maaye but FBI etimi abefa abutreka edneko e ma Ghana fon ebufui enam so ma enne no eye the state attorney general Dr. Dominic Okudzeto Ayende obekire nsem kakra anu aka se oh munya abotre because sire muzi hu asem no enya za na te enya za se extradition no me sole ya nank makwa tam overata na badabi ye ba kwotwe ho manso wo court na even kura no court na kwotwe ho manso wo hono no oforiata no we smart because what time sika a high USA high profile lawyers o me experience o me top lawyers e wo USA ho wa high wo mu ama o mu no e twitwaje no enti enya falasa na se we na attention no abeka ye no ene na Captain Kojo Smart and NDC TikTokers abe clash with the state attorney general ema ebi kura kwa kama hama any NDC fo nyina
abai we negotiate Twaso
Extradition, you cannot make a request unless you have a solid case, a docket that has been built.
But that's it, pause it. Or say it's asasi so you know. Won't mean kase. Won't kase yemfa obim fi abrochemra. Your person refer to Kenoforiata. Say yemfa Kenoforiata mra Ghana. Wa bra won building case. Wuni assembly antia. Esese e de Kenoforiata ba. Enti Ghana for the etie ne say e dada akra e na Joma Hama ban yen. Enti the etie ne say abaini ni case bia washa sese oyo won she ase every January 7th ebesi na 18th December SSA will build a solid case. What it means is that abainwe on to build a solid case against Kenoforiata. What if the NCR negotiations say koso? Omu negotiate. Peter, make some way. NDC 4 pound bet challenge na ba ko metra. Sika MPP 4 triama NDC mpani 4 bi won. Sika nkofo tria wo krom ha no. Sika nkofo etiatia e wo krom ha no. John, hu o. What the? Your so-called ministers, your so-called appointees, they are taking money. Dollar, city, pound. Because Attorney General na catch and say wa catch them crofona o medi bone ni say wo mmra na negotiate alamboa. Na sa woni criminal e negotiate a. Ada na de oje obi mobile phone no was secret no woni negotiate. The way we are buying sika asesa Ghana Japade afa koti kwan so ama omanya say no ono ye ne negotiate but you kwotwa obi board there pe because a common de no wabra Yesu Kristo kwa ko bi obi aburo Yesu anka nche buro wura nura ye chi Yesu no ye chi no Yesu ye chi no e ka de ke be bon se krofo e Bible mu Yesu no man say common de na kofa de a ene enya hwe how can we say that our judges are aware? Says obi ko twa obi aburo obi twa obi board ya. Sa ni pana ye come to no ko twa e. Ni e na tumu. And the Attorney General's office. Any jupo judicial police. One is sa ni pana ko twa obi board ya no. Ana di obi mobile phone no. And negotiate. Say e dey na ko fa board ya no. O say come na dem. And your body, your pacho, man, be a quarter of an acre. No, dear body from mount. Na branch in front of na obia coach be board there. I could come back, na judge it me at that kunyama catcher and say the intent. I didn't know what branch in Trima or the coachia cocono. Na sound obi or chia coco dance on 12 years. Oh. Na judge at me at that kunyama catcher. When him say cocono to me bon coco. Am ye na yetimete na yetimi asore na anye late ankwa adwuma judge a wuti otikuma say na judge otenkran kokroko bantama akoko obeda na judge otis legon obete kokroko akoko obon bantama ena na judge otis legon obete ni ye dia kwana kotu 12 solid years. John, I did not shall say when me yan shall you in summer me bruso after Christmas no yam betwa for me do nyame me maka to say me man 1 year anamwa 1 year no so say 24 kasa fin cheba say ya mpa 7 January ya John na 1 year na so me dey say me go abonti o me ka kire mo no bi ada no ho so me say January over here reshuffle. But the point is that, as I say, who never be said, and never be cause was asiswa, yenya yeti no. Perception is a key thing in governance. Perception is a very key thing in governance. And John, if you are not careful, perception will become reduction. Anytime you fail to deal with perception, it becomes reduction. Listen and listen good. Anytime as a politician, you fail to deal with perception, that perception becomes reduction. And when your fame, your favor is reducing, that is when you will come to appreciate the fact, say, the people that voted for you, they are not fools. They are not fools. Sir, we are Ghana Sikadia, you know negotiating. Me prefer Fiat go mobile phone, no negotiation.
Someone here.
Said the MPP for board my way for no NDC for no. They are paying, and you know they are paying. I know they are paying. We know they are paying because the Attorney General says let's negotiate. Come and let's pray bargain. Mafia, who could do me a bargain and the teacher say, Yendiano bargain, brofo. Gaining what is in the bag, and your English word, a Latin Hebrew word. Gaining what is in the bag. Adena yedia shebuno, who ye bibi wo home, they are saying ye free. And your friend bargaining. And to come, let's do a pre-bargaining. Mobi ambu yen say, te no. Sada tiene, yeni buye, yeni ate. It is our Attorney General catch us say, MPP for na area sika, who are bokro no, one bra for pre-bargaining now. What it means is that the people will gain whatever was put in the oral bag. Yenim de ekwaso John. By a codibro yentina matome bosa ano.
Ojai.
Anka be yet se ma.
Gano.
Producer to aso.
Ojai.
Aten jana na kasa to aso.
Ojai. Ojai.
Aseme na ba.
Ojai. Ojai.
Not make a request unless you have a solid case, a docket that has been built.
Okay.
And
or say, as a a solid case, maybe a solid now. Camera, follow us.
Wani.
Yeni abriu.
Ojai.
As a solid case. And a docket that has been built. Mami cho sabro funum. Or say as a sama. Who bet me the jinaso? Ama kenoforiata abagana. Na afei enye se case kekewu. Case ensuo wom. Case won jinaso. Case ano hye. And then number 2. SSA which we build dockets. Docket ne kire se ye bebo ma afia kwadu. Se wa fa Captain Smart iPad. Ye bebo afia kwadu. Se wa fa Captain Smart mobile phone. Enti say ya me no kase Ghana for mu maso na muteye. Case na ye de court na kan ofrata din wo mu no. But anya solid case.
Ghana for watch no.
So-called Office of the Special Prosecutor. Or say, or the Kenoforiata and 7 and all 6 others. All others being equal. At the one court, Kenoforiata didn't come. It is a Attorney General Baba Kachna was say, I respect the Office of the Special Prosecutor. I honor his autonomy. And then, Attorney General, ne OSP, when we starting to call me, the catcher say, hey, hello. Kisiye Jabin. Any Dominica Yeni, a lie, and Tokwa. What we said that we say, what kuna NDC for every year kodi, a year Dominica Yeni, na MPP for every year kodi, Kisia Jabieti, na ye Ghana for near much as a Kwasia for
Ghana for watch no.
Eti, Sana Kisia Jabin case na war court no, and yes, solid case, any substance.
Watch it, Brian.
It is Attorney General say, or person a building docket, a yes stronger. The Office of the Special Prosecutor, the court to Mpacho, and we're there. La illa illallah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Anshadu Allah. Producer Twaso.
Case of the Americans, the practice is for you to have filed charges.
Okay. Pause it. Or say, answer number 2 obi. If America didn't back Ghana hano, as I say, we filing charges against Sani Pana person on the bano. Charges in Jeffrey. Kwakubicham, Mamin Shomu. Charges in an say, Yadwako post station. And a post to Fabo Kwa do say, why a bonny way, why a bonny way, why a bonny way, why a bonny way, and one no charges na no nina and sabro from kind and no.
Watch no.
And now Office of the Special Prosecutor, or the Kenoforiata court, and yes civil suit, and a criminal suit. Yay! It is a SSA who file charges. Maybe some more Attorney General. No, me say NDC for GGC Cafe MPP for me America. You are taking money. MPP for the chair. NDC for the so J. Me na catch now say me nsuro no kura kan. Enti woni me nama, you careful. And when I'm in papa penny, I'm a friend, Mafia. And I'm in papa penny in the cam. And I JB. I'm to be fair, papa. No. I'm to be Diana papa before the 2 speaker. I say, Captain, I'm saying, yes, sir. I say, listen. And then he put a car and some. Ebam. We are no catch and say. I will call you tomorrow to my office and I will invite Captain Smart also to come. So you can say this before Captain Smart. I say, oh, boss, this is not what I'm saying you. What I'm trying to say is that, you see, I heard it from, I said, no.
Ghana for.
Time now, Casano. one can't tell me say wo kote ye wo baby. Wo say wo na wo kana wo nim dia wo kan te kira no pa. Captain po adwuma. Na fra na ba me office. Na wo so aba ho no abeyi ano.
Wache braye.
Sabe be start if aba wo so. Na branch ni pa cho wi. Ohu abeg wi. We dey man kan kiro. Na papa ne ka kire no come say captain is here, talk to him.
Ojaye.
Ka no aye to say. Samampum di.
Wait.
Usro no kreka aya membie wa no me say NDC for no jijisika if you people for edi bone ho they are paying we are Ghana ni am wani na ho na nkrofo ni tua na nkrofo no so je et you see SSA wutimi charge ni Ghana ni mebu sabi ni eti ye de kwadu aba branche no enu ti ye be fa ne fi Ghana ye de ne koy se kwadu ne ye nokre se kwadu no nya nokre ya bo no kwadu nti se ye be fa ne ko pa to keno foriata ya bo no kwadu ana se ye mo no office of the special prosecutor abo no kwadu so no ni panson ese so yi nsem bia no afri se won abo man kro no but attorney general say keno foriata yentimi mfa ne ma to aso
Justice. The Justice Department actually sent me what they call the bill of indictment.
Okay, or say Justice Department of the United States SNN bill of indictment. They are trying to say, yeah, the baby to a branch and so a bafia so a chest say, as I say, I didn't bafie. You find the American in the nation. In particular, the Office of the Special Prosecutor, and the ato a year can offer us no. A indicted can offer us and I say, a indicted no. And I know I got a muso, but then in a benum. Wow. Wow. John Dramani Mahama, you got to be careful. You got to be careful. Me strong no crack cow. It's one in the you're careful. John, this is dangerous. Pacho, producer Twazo.
All right, that's the charge. Those are the charges. They sent me the charges, the supporting facts, and everything. And ladies and gentlemen, they spent 6 years investigating the syndicate of criminals that included, Kojo Boate.
May I say, pause, producer, pause. Yeah, it's a attorney general catches investigators. I'm more coming. What Jimmy? Oh. Attorney General say, Office of the Special Prosecutor. What Jimmy? I'm not the one saying it. You see, Attorney General say, ladies and gentlemen, a person would say, once say, America for the influence, and a year shemu. Yen cry the broom fiancia, can operate or the fear watch it. And this answer, who know, and I'm one. Some of the documents are Office of the Special Prosecutor, the court, it dated back to 2019, 2020, 2018. For 2019, 2018, Fabra Abesi 2024. And if I see 2025, me patron says me anya me photo, mo be I am doing my show. It's your responsibility as a camera person. Don't disturb me. Me me yaba djuma. I me fa ho. Obi an so no Pentecost platform. NTT. If 2018 be fi kan 18 from Sabra 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 enti ayemfie so sa America de mfie nsia na ehwehwe Kojo Boate asemu a ye de yemfie so. What is the Attorney General talking about? Play bargaining ampa yendi anu ampa yebedi anu. Wow. Wow. Pacho, Twasu producer.
6 years. All right. So the point that we have made, that my deputy made, is that without a docket, we cannot make the request.
Okay,
So we are still waiting for the docket. That is all I can say for now.
Producer, what's the crowd? I can't from the master never. Maulepe. Or say, Attorney General say, say docket be a new ha. Ghana Baya John Mahama Dano, on to be droshy, may and fa, can of rata ma. Lefia. Because I never bedroom, Jamie. I tell you, producer, question some boss abro for you. Or say, are you ready? I catch me. Attorney General say, so much mean your docket. And ya, some of the bets ya can offer yata. What would be that request to be? I say, you fucking of rata. Wow. Wow!
Bibini and Nipo.
Auntie Chesa, now say I don't catch ya. Oh, yes, say it go 40. No, that's what the two on one party 40 at home. Johnson, yeah, me cry at the Mohammed system. I just, yeah, Sunday at Tete. Hey, NDC for the cracker. What is I ready? Afa, bo.
Kojo Boate, 6 years. All right. So the point that we have made, that my deputy made, is that without a docket.
Pause. We are not. Also, the point that we have made, we need to say, yeah, now you want NDC cabinet in him. Cabinet is Muhammad Adano. But so you need to take me. We have been America. Cabinet, I am Muhammad Adano. We know constituency organize and come home. But we know Central Region, NDC chairman, Professor Sedu on come home. We know Aya Bina cabinet, Dan cabinet, John Muhammad Dano, Jenano Pokwajman Kaho, Vice President. We know, and on Sabaka, my deputy, meaning that we for no, and we know. And here Yama, you're not dressed or Yakwana, get one say, Wona Kwana Kwaka, boss. Those are the we are rulers out. We don't have control. I just got to make a catcher. We are not in deputies today. To us, producer.
We cannot make the request. So we are still waiting for the docket.
What I say we cannot make the day.
See, Asema Attorney General Eka. Or say Ken Ofuriata. I hire the top lawyers in the US. Attorney General Oboa. Attorney General Miss Oboa. We hire the top lawyers in the US. Oh, now boys na mobechi woman there. How many top lawyers in Ghana? I didn't say phone number some catch yes. How mo mutimi makwan. Emma will be free in your chrome, eba your chrome, eba some ranty and about one more chrome on. Ekacha said there are more to be arrested. Now what Ekacha say, yay, or chrome 43 and more. I bet in the US how all Ekacha say or no higher top lawyers. Top lawyers bang the chain Ghana lawyers. Top lawyers bang and the war America ha. When him say nipa na bokro no onya no manema. Moka mi hu se mo ba krom ha se mo ba beche no. Aban bi atwa mo ba krom aso be fa twini donors. But moka NDC for Mr. Attorney General mi hu say what mo ba US ha. Ghana police ne hwan any lawyers no menti se mo ba krom ha se mo ba beche Ken Ofuriata and amwenya kwan anche no. Story time. Yo Kwanan's stories near be can't ya. Or more decide na 4 years now. So na mami can chire mu plain for say. If you guys don't arrest Kennedy or Ken Ofuriata, Edu Buahene, and all those gifts you're worrying other people, if you don't put them in jail, 2028, kiss your ass goodbye. 2028, NDC, you guys are going opposition. Yana mudi ebedi agro no share. Moda.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas!